What's up everybody, Donald here from LuxeAMZ. Thank you guys very much for checking out this video. So in today's video, I'm going to break down how to do your very first pull-ups. You know, there's a lot of great benefits to doing pull-ups. You can build up your upper back, your lower back, your upper body. And so there's a lot of great benefits to doing it. But it's actually one of the toughest exercises to do. Why? Because you actually have to utilize your whole body strength to lift up your body, right? And so your body weight. And so that makes it challenging if you haven't built up the strength in order to do so. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys the progression of steps to take in order to do your very first pull-up. So first off, I'm going to demonstrate kind of how I do my pull-ups. All right, check it out. Alright guys, so as you can see, it was a very controlled movement, and I really focused on the stretch, and I was intentional to really try to get the mind-muscle connection, which is really important for the development of your muscles, right? So with that said, I'm going to walk you guys through the steps. So step one, the first thing that you can do is actually do a dead hang. So basically, you just hold on to the pull-up bar and just hold on as long as you can. So I'm going to demonstrate what that looks like. So you want to try not to swing, but yeah, essentially you just want to hang there and your body gets used to holding up your own body weight on that pull-up bar, right? So step two, what you want to do next is you want to do negatives. So what you want to do is you want to jump up onto the pull-up bar and you want to slowly decline down. And why that's important is because you want to get your body used to descending down from the pull-up bar, right? And so you want to do a couple reps of that so then your body can get accustomed to that. So here I'm going to just demonstrate what that looks like. So you want to try to descend slowly and in a controlled manner, so your body will develop the strength and I guess the know-how to descend down as you descend down from a pull-up bar. So the hardest part of doing the pull-up bar is probably doing the ascent, right? The going up portion, because you actually have to utilize your strength to do that. And so if you're not able to do that on your own, then you can use an assisted resistance band. And so I'm going to show you what that looks like and how to set up for that. But first of all, I'm going to show you kind of how I do that initial pull-up, right? And so I'm going to show you guys in a second here. So I actually find it easier to do the pull-ups when my leg is actually straight. Traditionally, you see people kind of bending their legs when they do the pull-ups, but you might actually find it easier to do it straight-legged, right? And so give that a shot. But next, I'm going to demonstrate how to do the pull-up using the assisted resistance band. So here's an example of a resistance band, and this is one that you can actually utilize to connect to the pull-up bar. So I'm going to show you how to connect to the pull-up bar and then how to position your body. Essentially, you want to hang this to the pull-up bar and you want to position your knee at the very, very bottom of the resistance band. So then you can actually feel the elasticity to help you in aiding you with the ascent part of the pull-up bar. So I'm going to show you guys how to set this up. So as you can see, there's a bottom portion to the resistance band and it's connected to the pull-up bar. And so you want to do this really carefully, right? And so you don't want it the resistance band to snap and hit you, right? And so just be careful when you do this, right? So I'm going to show you guys how I position my knee. Essentially, I want to position my knee at the bottom part of this resistance band, and then I'm going to do the pull-up bar, and then you can actually feel the resistance band actually helping you with the ascent. And so essentially what you want to do is you want to get your body used to, rising up the pull-up bar. And eventually when you do enough reps and sets of this, you'll start to develop the strength to do your own pull-ups without any resistance bands. So I'm going to demonstrate what this looks like. So there's this demonstration of doing pull-ups with the resistance band assistance. So you're going to get to a point where your body will develop the strength to be able to do the pull-ups on its own. I would say that if you can do there is the resistance band pull-ups, I would say, 15 plus times, then you should be okay to start doing it on your own without the resistance bands. So with that said, I'm going to do the pull-ups one more time and show you what it looks like without any resistance bands assistance. All right. So I just showed you guys how it looks like to do the pull-ups without the bent knees, and also I showed it with the bent knees as well. So I hope that you guys found this video helpful, and thank you guys very much for watching, and until next time, see you guys all in the next video. Take care. Bye now.